the leader here. Talk to us and your thoughts this afternoon.
Today is a very sad day for the whole Luo community and the world at large. To imagine, not to say, to imagine Raila Odinga is dead, to me, I'm the saddest person ever lived. Ramogi died, I never shed tears. When I got the first information in the morning, at around 7, I shed tears. And even now, I'm shedding tears. Raila Odinga, Unyalego, is a wonderful character. I knew Raila when he was about 5 years old. Up to date, I'm saying Raila will not see me again, and I shall not see Raila. It is a big shame to me. I'm asking Luo community to be very, very much peaceful during the time of these trying moments when we are mourning Raila. Not Luo alone. Even other communities, particularly Uganda, Tanzania, to become when they are also mourning Raila. I'm asking our leaders, particularly governors, MPs, and ministers, to come around and mourn Raila as their kingpin in the Luo community. I don't have more to say. I'm saying goodbye, my best friend. Mean that me, as Odungi Randa of Luo Care and Raila Odinga, we knew so many good things. When Ramogi died, he handed over Raila to me. And I don't know who is also coming. It's a big sorry. Sorry to Mama Ida. Anything they do to. Thank you very much. Particularly, Bondo people, Siaya Kababa, you have lost a wonderful character. We shall not get anybody like Raila's caliber. May God rest in soul in peace. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. That's the care of the Luo community, so to speak.